Alright guys, this is the hard starting behavior. Does it when cold. Doesn't seem to make a whole lot of difference whether I give it gas or not. If it's hot, fire's first try. Once it's running, runs great. But this is what it does when it's cold. This is a brand new battery, by the way. Brand new, fully charged interstate battery. It'll catch eventually. And then once it's started, it runs great. So, I already did a coolant temp sensor. Fuel filter's been done. Brand new plugs, brand new wires, brand new air filter, all brand new timing belt. All that's been done. And it said if it's hot, doesn't do it. Well, it does it when it's cold. So let me hear your thoughts. Thanks.